5W50 oil provides better protection in high-temperature, high-shear environments. What makes it so special? It's like having two oils in one. The 5W part flows easily when it's cold, getting to all those crucial engine parts fast. But when things heat up, it thickens to a 50, creating a protective barrier that laughs in the face of extreme temperatures and high RPMs. Get the best 5W50 100% synthetic motor oil. Click the link in the description below to search your vehicle's oil using our lookup guide to confirm what oil your engine needs. Visit searchforparts.com and search the correct oil and filter for your vehicle.